A civil authority has issued severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties or areas: Floyd, Montgomery, Pulaski, Roanoke County, Radford, Virginia. At 2:19 a.m. on June 17, 2022, effective until 3:04 a.m. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 300 am EDT for southwestern Roanoke, northeastern Pulaski, northern Floyd and Montgomery counties and the city of Radford. At 219 am EDT, the severe thunderstorm was located over Merrimack, or over Christiansburg, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Blacksburg, Christiansburg, Radford, Pilot, Shawsville, Bent Mountain, and Terry's Fork. This includes the following location: Virginia Tech. Hail threat, radar indicated max hail size, less than 0.75 in wind threat, radar indicated max wind gust, 60 miles per hour. Prepare immediately for damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.